You start with OpenAI. Then someone says is better at coding. Then Gemini drops a million token context window. Now you've got 3 SDKs, 3 response formats, and 3 different error handling patterns. Sound familiar? The answer is a model gateway. It sits between your app and every LLM provider, giving you one unified API to rule them all. Think of it like an API gateway, but built specifically for LLM traffic. Without a gateway, your code is a mess. You're importing different SDKs, handling different response objects, and writing provider-specific logic everywhere. Every new provider makes it worse. With a gateway, same code, any model, any provider. You just point your OpenAI client at your gateway URL and swap models by changing one string. The gateway handles all the translation behind the scenes. LiteLLM is the most popular open-source gateway. It supports over 100 providers through the OpenAI API format. Install it with pip pointed at a file and you're running. Don't want to run a proxy server? Use LiteLLM as a Python library instead. Same function call any provider. Streaming works identically across all of them. OpenRouter takes a different approach. It's a fully hosted gateway. One API key, over 200 models, 0 infrastructure to manage. Perfect for prototyping when you want to try models without setting up accounts everywhere. Now here's where gateways get really smart routing strategies. Round-robin distributes evenly. Latency-based routing tracks response times and sends requests to the fastest provider. Cost-based routing picks the cheapest model for non-critical tasks. Quality-based routing is the most interesting. Route coding tasks to creative writing to GPT-4o and long context work to Gemini. You match the best model to each job automatically, and every production system needs fallback chains. If OpenAI goes down, try. If is down, try Gemini. Last resort, fall back to a local llama model. Your app stays alive no matter what. When should you build your own gateway? Only when you have strict data residency requirements, need custom routing logic like per-user model assignments, or want to add middleware like PII redaction and prompt injection detection. Here's the bottom line. Use a gateway from day one. Even if you only have one provider today, you won't tomorrow. LiteLLM for self-hosted production, OpenRouter for quick prototyping, and always set up fallback chains because every provider has outages. Next up, episode 43, when to fine-tune versus when to use RAG. The model doesn't sound right, doesn't use your terminology. Should you retrain it or feed it context? The wrong answer costs you months. Don't miss it.